In today's video, I'm going to teach you Wix blank template tutorial, how to create a Wix website from scratch. Open your preferred browser and head to wix.com. Sign into your account, and if you're new, click sign up or get started and follow the quick setup. Once you're in, choose create a new site. You can pick a category like online store, or if you're building a reusable design, keep it simple and skip any optional prompts so you can jump straight into designing a template. When you're presented with designer-made templates or blank options, choose a blank or start from scratch template. Click Edit to open the Wix editor or Wix Studio, depending on what your account provides. The editor is great for beginners, while Studio offers more advanced control. Both will work perfectly for this walkthrough. Inside the editor, you'll see a basic page structure with a header at the top, a main content area, and a footer. This layout keeps your design consistent. Use Add, then Sections to place new content blocks as needed. To brand your site, add a logo in the header by going to Add Image and either uploading from your computer or choosing one from the Media Manager. Drag it into place and resize it so it's crisp but not overwhelming. Next, add a site title. Go to Add Text, pick a heading style, and type your title. Use the text settings to adjust font, color, and size. Keep typography consistent across the site to create a professional look. Now, add buttons, links, and content. Drag a button onto the page from Add Button. Change the label to Sign In, pick a style, and include an icon if you like. In the button's link settings, connect it to a page and choose your Sign In page so visitors can navigate smoothly. Continue building your content by adding images, galleries, embedded code, blog sections, or store elements depending on your goals. Once your header and footer look the way you want, make them reusable so they stay consistent across pages. In Wix Studio, save them as global sections so they repeat automatically on every page you use them. To turn your work into a reusable template, go to the Wix Studio workspace, open Custom Templates, and click Create Template. Choose to create the template from your existing site or from a blank canvas, then save it. This lets you apply the same layout to future sites and reuse key sections across projects. Before you finish, click Preview to see how everything looks on desktop and mobile. Tweak spacing, colors, or layout if anything feels off. When you're happy, click Publish so your template is live and ready to use or copy. Congratulations! You've just created a fully reusable Wix template that saves time and keeps your design consistent across projects. Templates are a real game changer for web designers, whether you're building sites for clients or for yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.